Welcome to the assembly manual for the Rubi table. Position part 2 and then overlay part 4. Fit the E accessories. Fix the pieces with the B accessories. Attach the H accessories with the D accessories. Position pieces 5 and 6 and fit the E accessories. Now, attach the G accessories with the C accessories in the indicated locations. Position part 1 and overlay it with part 3. Fit accessories E and then secure with accessories B. Attach the H accessories with the D accessories in the indicated locations. Join pieces 5 and 6 and secure them in the indicated location with accessory C. With the other side positioned, secure it with the C accessories. Position part 8 and then secure part 7 with accessory A in the indicated locations. And finally, with the F accessories positioned, secure the C accessories.